Hey friends, welcome back to the Destination Baby and Kids YouTube channel. This is Gina. I am super excited to be here with you today to go over the stroller that you see behind me, which is the NUNA MIXX Next. So now this is a stroller that I have sold for forever. Prior to 2020. This has been a very strong seller for NUNA. I would describe it as their flagship stroller, meaning that when somebody says they have a NUNA stroller, 9 times out of 10, this is the one that they're referring to. So let's launch into what makes the MIXX Next special. I do have videos comparing this to other strollers, but I was shocked to discover I didn't have one that I had made of it and all the things that are special about it just on its own. So if you like what you see behind me, you can go ahead and head over to my website, destinationbabykids.com. You can buy this stroller directly off my website. There are links below. There will be links below for the other products that I show in this video. And if you think this is useful to you and you would like to learn more, go ahead and follow or subscribe this channel, destinationbabykids.com. All right, let's go back and launch into what we are looking at. So, NUNA MIXX Next. This is going to be an awesome option for an all-terrain parent that is looking for a single stroller, meaning that it will work just with one kiddo. And one of the things that's particularly special about this stroller is going to be that it works from birth all the way through to 50 pounds without buying additional pieces. So what do I mean by that? We can certainly make this into a travel system, which means you could put a car seat on it or a bassinet on it, and I'll show you the car seat in just a moment, going on this frame of the stroller. But as you buy it, coming directly out of the box, it would work for a newborn without using or buying any additional pieces. This is really atypical. Most strollers do not work this way. So it's really awesome when we do encounter one that has that feature set to go ahead and talk about that with parents. So as you see here, the stroller seat is forward facing right now. We have a nice big canopy. As I said, this seat will work from 0 pounds all the way up to 50. So it's going to work the entire time that we've got kiddo. And as you see here, we have a nice long sunshade with an additional gusset panel that is hidden by a zipper. If you pull up the top, there's going to be a little mesh window up here for ventilation and also peekaboo to see the baby. You also have mesh ventilation here on both sides of that window that opens up. So it's nice and shaded. Now, as for recline, this is what we're talking about when we say it is newborn compatible. I'm gonna go ahead and raise the stroller handle height. So another cool feature about this guy is that it has one of the tallest stroller handle heights out of any of the strollers that we carry. I think this goes up to 45.5 inches, maybe even 45.5. So that is very tall. And then it has a taller starting handle height as well. So if you are shorter, something to keep in mind there, this is one of the tallest handle heights out of all the strollers that we sell. So great for taller parents, but if you're shorter, something to keep in mind, you may not want your hands up that high. And just for reference, I am 5'5". You can see sort of the handle height here on my body. I have a 30-inch inseam, so my legs are kind of short. But the stroller itself has a full lie flat recline. So a lot of strollers can tip the seat to be at 180 degrees of recline for like how the seat looks, but the seat itself won't actually go flat enough to support a newborn. This would, and in addition to it being flat enough to support that newborn, we can go ahead and flip the seat around. The handles to do that, this is so great, they're right on the side of the seat here. There's holes where you put your hand and then you squeeze because the button's right in there. So it's very intuitive. Once you get your hands in there, you'll feel the buttons, you'll lift up toward the sky and go ahead and flip that seat right around to face caregiver. This way, we could have a new baby facing the caregiver, lying flat, completely shaded. And if you're worried about them rolling out, you can go ahead and pop this little piece on the bottom, and it has a snap. Lift the flap and pop the snap. And now you've got a little pramette. So your kiddo isn't going to roll out. It's going to stay nice and contained within the stroller seat itself. So that is a really unique feature that this stroller does that, for instance, the other NUNA strollers don't do. So Triv Next, Swiv, and Demi Next, all in theory are travel systems and could work for a newborn, but you would have to buy something in order to make the stroller work with the newborn. Here, the seat that comes with the stroller is going to enable you to work with the newborn directly out of the box without an additional purchase. So that is a really nice feature. The color that you see here is called Monterey. This is a limited edition, specialty only. But they do offer this in a myriad of colors. It's probably available in the most color choices from NUNA. So if you head to my website, destinationbabykids.com, and type Mix Next into the search bar, or click on the link, you can go ahead and check out the other color choices. But it is like a beautiful heathered gray with a very beautiful, nice dark chocolate handle. But why I'm bringing the stroller seat closer to the camera is to show here, you get a magnetic buckle, which is a strike down. So it's right where my thumb is. Instead of pressing toward kiddo's tummy, I'm going to press down toward the floor, and the buckle is released. And then it is magnetic, so putting it together is generally very simple and just snaps together like you heard. This liner that you see on the back here that goes all the way under the kiddo's fanny, which is awesome because it'll catch crumbs, is removable. And behind it, you'll see there is mesh on this stroller seat. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's a mesh backing. And that's why you can sort of see through. That is going to be so much cooler on a hot day. Now, if you're in the Central Valley, you're here in the Bay Area, and it's just too hot to handle, it is a nice feature that this liner is fully removable, and you would have the open air mesh backrest. You've got the mesh on the hood. It's a super breathable option, so we do love that. And then again, I just want to illustrate another really awesome feature of the stroller. The front tires that are swiveling right now, of course, you can fix them to go from swiveling to locked. This would be like if you're going to go through snow, grass, gravel, sand, all terrain, you go ahead and lock those, and now pushing to move through stuff is much easier. You can also still steer by sort of pushing right left, and if you need to make a big turn, you go ahead and press on the back and turn it. It does have four-wheel suspension. It's an incredibly bouncy suspension, which is great if you're going to do trail walking or go all terrain and you don't want to buy a big three-wheel stroller. This is a really nice solution. You do have a solid rubber tire on each tire. Your back tires are 12 inches. I believe the front tires are 8 inches. The thing to know is that this wouldn't be suitable for running. It's not insured as a running stroller, so it is not meant for running. But for all-terrain walking, any kind of heavy-duty walking, this would be great. I think about Oakland Zoo, pushing a kiddo up the hills there. This would work really, really nicely. When you fold it, one thing that's especially fabulous, the seat folds in half. There is a pocket on the back of the seat. It's zippered. It's a little hidden gem. So you can keep things back there, which is really nice. But your fold is 4 on the floor, meaning the wheels, which are the dirtiest part of the stroller, stay on the ground, and that's the part that remains on the floor. You can go ahead and then hit your locking mechanism to lock the stroller. If you want it to stand, pull the handle toward the sky, and now it's standing. But what we love is the handle is never touching the ground. So if you live in a state that has snow and salt, and you don't want to fold your stroller in a parking lot and have the handle get destroyed by salt, snow, and gunk, this is a really great solution because, again, you can elect to have it be the tires on the ground, or it can stand with the handle up toward the sky. So handle toward the sky, you lift the lever for the lock toward the sky, lift the handle toward the sky, and now the seat toward the sky, and we're back in action. So really, really nice feature set on that. And as I pointed out, it will come with a car seat adapter for a NUNA brand infant seat included in the purchase price. So your seat here that I'm showing is the PIPA Air RX, but a PIPA RX would work, a PIPA Urban would work, an old PIPA Light would work. There's a discontinued Light RX. That might work. No, it does work. Yeah, the only ones that don't would be like the Bugaboo and the Stoka specific ones, because the hooks on the back are disengaged. Wah, wah. So if you have that version, that won't work on here. But as you can see, car seat fits really nicely on here. Has the option to face caregiver, but also you can go ahead and spin this around if kiddo wants to face out toward the world. Now they'd have that option to do that as well. And as you can see, the stroller will still fold with the adapter on it in either direction, so it doesn't have to be one way or the other. If it were set in its proper direction, it's gonna look a little more compact here when we fold it up, so not the end of the world, but that adapter does fit both directions, which is great. I will say a little disappointing, the basket underneath, the weight limit says is 10 pounds. I have definitely loaded it with more and it's survived without ripping, tearing, whatever. I'm not encouraging this behavior, but I'm just saying something to be aware of there. It is a little bit smaller of a weight limit on the basket, but the basket is divisible, which is quite cool. The piece in the center here, I'm gonna try and show this, can come up like that. So now we have 2 pockets. And the one in the back, if you have sandy things or crumbs, that has little holes, so those can work their way out, which is very cool. You also have a zipper on the back here, which you can put stuff into, which is really neat. And a nice feature as well is that the tires are all quick release, removable, so if you walk through anything gross, you can clean them relatively easily. Or for packing and stacking into a travel bag, you have the option to remove all 4 tires quite easily. So you could just clean them off with, you know, oh geez, a wet wipe or a Clorox wipe, whatever makes you happy. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the seat back on here and just quickly show accessories. The ones that I think are the most important that we sell the most of. Cup holder. This cup holder, I don't know if it's focused well enough, but it does read mix and demi cup holder. It's specific to the model, so you can't just buy any NUNA cup holder and that will work on there. You're going to want to get the one that goes for the MIXX Next. And then we also have a MIXX series front tray, which you can see goes on the front for a kiddo that wants to eat little snacks. So that's another nice one to get. And I will point out their travel bag for this is probably one of my least favorites. So NUNA does make one. I don't recommend it for this stroller. The travel bag I actually like better for it is this guy. The NUNA padded travel car seat bag. I have a whole video about that. I'm gonna link that to it. It's on a list, you can watch it. It'll probably be the next one that comes up. But this for $99 is like the best travel bag ever of all time. I love it so much. And it works with a whole broad variety of strollers, not just this stroller. So that's pretty awesome. Yeah, so I'm not gonna get into the specific pricing of it because again, pricing is about to change this year, very, very likely due to tariffs. So what I would say is head on over to our website, destinationbabykids.com. You can see the colors, you can see the prices. There may be some on sale dependent on color and what car seat might be included with it, but you can buy it without this car seat in the purchase price. So that would be one price, but if you buy it with a car seat, that would be a separate price. If you buy it with car seat and a bassinet component, that would still be yet another price. And again, bassinet here is completely unnecessary because it does lay perfectly flat from birth. So you wouldn't need the bassinet to go on the stroller frame in order to make it compatible from birth. But if you're like, hey, I just want a bassinet to go next to my bed and I also like the option of it clicking on the stroller, then they do offer that. And it is a really nice option. You could see that in my website, destinationbabykids.com. Okay, if you have questions or comments, please feel free to leave them below. Go ahead and like, go ahead and subscribe. Sharing is caring. If it makes sense, share this with a friend. Thank you so much for watching, and feel free to watch any of my other videos regarding the MIXX Next or deep diving on any other stroller and car seat stuff. Thank you so much.